Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending too much at coffee shops and want to make barista quality espresso right at home, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best espresso machines of 2025, and I'll be breaking down the top picks that give you the perfect shot every time. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or just getting started, this guide will help you choose the best espresso machine for your needs. Let's get brewing. Best of 5. Gevi Automatic Espresso Machine. User-friendly operation. The Gevi Automatic Espresso Machine is perfect for beginners and experienced baristas. Its one-touch operation and adjustable settings make brewing an espresso, cappuccino, or latte effortless. Customizable brewing options. With an adjustable milk frother and a programmable espresso shot, this machine offers great versatility, allowing users to tailor drinks to their preferences. Compact and stylish design. Its sleek, modern design fits beautifully in any kitchen space without taking up too much counter space. Durable and efficient. The Gevi machine features high-quality construction and a durable stainless steel boiler, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Value for money. Priced affordably, it combines features often found in higher-end machines, making it a fantastic option for budget-conscious coffee enthusiasts.
Best of 4.
Imusa Espresso Cappuccino Maker. Compact and lightweight. The Imusa USA Gayu 18202 is a space saver, ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or offices while being easy to move and store. Simple operation. Its straightforward design makes brewing espresso or cappuccino simple, even for those new to coffee making. Steam functionality. The built-in frother delivers rich, creamy foam for cappuccinos and lattes, adding to the machine's versatility. Affordable price point. One of the most budget-friendly options on the market, it's an excellent choice for casual coffee drinkers or those just starting. Quick brewing time. The machine heats up and brews coffee rapidly, making it convenient for busy mornings or quick coffee breaks.
Best of 3.
DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso Machine. High-quality performance. The DeLonghi Stilosa excels in delivering authentic espresso with its 15-bar pressure system, ensuring rich flavor extraction. Durable build. Made with a stainless steel boiler and a robust design, this machine is built to last and maintain consistent performance. Milk frother for versatility. The manual milk frother is perfect for creating creamy lattes or cappuccinos with ease. Compact and sleek design. It boasts a minimalist, space-saving design that suits any modern kitchen decor. User-friendly. With intuitive controls and a straightforward interface, the Stilosa is suitable for coffee lovers at all levels of expertise.
Best of 2.
Ninja Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. Versatile brewing options. The Ninja CFN601 stands out with its ability to brew single-serve coffee, espresso, cappuccino, or lattes, catering to diverse preferences. Advanced frothing technology. Its built-in frother delivers exceptional foam quality, elevating every coffee creation to cafe standards. Compatible with pods and ground coffee. Flexibility is key with this machine, allowing users to choose between convenience and customization. Stylish and durable design. The sleek, high-end look adds elegance to any kitchen while being built for durability. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Featuring removable parts and a simple cleaning process, the Ninja ensures hassle-free upkeep.
Best of 1.
Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Professional grade performance. The Breville Barista Express is a standout with its precise temperature control, built-in conical burr grinder, and 15-bar pressure pump, ensuring exceptional coffee quality. Built-in grinder. The integrated grinder allows users to grind fresh beans directly into the portafilter, enhancing flavor and aroma. Customizable features. From grind size to shot volume, every aspect of the coffee-making process can be tailored to the user's preference. Sleek and durable. Its stainless steel construction combines elegance with durability, making it a statement piece for any kitchen. Advanced frothing system. The powerful steam wand enables the creation of microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, perfect for latte art enthusiasts. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect espresso machine to bring your coffee game to the next level. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment telling us which machine you're most excited to try. Enjoy your coffee, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!